This video I show you how to create a presentation from an existing file. Specifically, for this example, we are going to use an article I wrote on the 13 most commonly used initial hooking strategies for presentations, and great for opening a presentation. So I have this article that I wrote in detail, an article that, by the way, we could have also begun to implement with Copilot directly in Word, but in this case we are going to use an article that I have already written and implemented. Great! Let's close this article. Let's open PowerPoint. And let's go to use a new creation mode. This time let's create a presentation from a file. Which file? Specifically this one. So it's among the first ones, but I might as well have simply searched for it by name. I select it, send, and wait for Copilot to create the presentation. The beauty of this mode of creation is that unlike the previous one, where we rely on Copilot to be able to search for the most relevant information, in this case the information, so the context of reference, we give him. This means that he goes and creates a much more precise presentation from a limited, defined information perimeter, which is what we are precisely giving him. So if you have, for example, a report or an article, content that has already been developed at length, he can start from that to lay the basis for a very good presentation. So he has created the whole structure of the presentation. He's added the speaker notes and now he's implementing it. Boom, there's the presentation. Let's go look at it a little bit. So there is an agenda slide. Well, so you see he put an introductory section where he explains the importance of hooking stages. Okay, so he gives a little bit of context. For each slide there are speaker notes. So the detail, even a callback to the original content, very nice, very interesting. After which he goes into each of the strategies analyzed. Storytelling is a strategy. Examples, tips, move on to the second strategy, and so on. He analyzes all the strategies. Really excellent work. I agree that this presentation could be improved, but it is certainly an excellent starting point, which saves us a lot of work. And in any case, it is already a presentation that exceeds the average presentation you see around.